Hi everyone, The Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use the beard filter on TikTok. So if you want to create a video of yourself and you want to see how you would look like in a beard, then let me show you how to do this. So to create this kind of videos, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download it. Once downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. In the TikTok app, you're searching for Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit that profile. Now on the profile, stay till the end of this video as that filter will appear right here, the beard filter. For now, I'll go ahead and use it for my favorites. So this is the kind of video which we're going to create where you have a clean shaven face and then you have a beard. So go ahead and tap on CapCut beard. Tap on use template in CapCut. Let's go ahead and continue to the app. This will ask you if you want to use that AI template. We'll go ahead and pick a picture. Tap next. And now we'll let CapCut apply that AI effect on this picture. So just give it some time. And now once the filter has been applied, it'll then show you a preview. Once you're happy, tap export here at the top right, then tap save and share to TikTok. This will take you to TikTok. Go ahead and tap next. Go ahead and add your captions and then go ahead and edit your cover. Now go ahead and post this to your TikTok account. So for those of you who try and find this beard filter, go ahead and visit this account, Test the Simple Dad. And here in the video section, you'll see the beard filter. Tap on this and then tap on CapCut beard and then follow the rest of the instructions on this video. So there you go guys, that is how to get the beard filter on TikTok.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.